Do you want to make money online with the hottest niche of 2023? Do you want to create your own online dating empire in just 30 seconds? If yes, then you need to check out DatingMojo. DatingMojo is a software that lets you create and manage your own affiliate online dating websites with one click. You don't need any technical skills, hosting, or domain. You just need to choose a name and a niche, and DatingMojo will do the rest. You can access over 1,000 top dating offers, including pay-per-lead, pay-per-action, pay-per-order, revenue share, PPC, high ticket, and more. You can also monetize your website with AdSense, banners, email, and more. You can earn commissions every time someone clicks on your links or signs up for an offer. Your website will automatically update with new offers and content every day, so you don't have to worry about anything. You can also track your traffic and earnings with the built-in analytics dashboard. DatingMojo is the ultimate solution for anyone who wants to tap into the $12.37 billion per year online dating industry. You can help people find their perfect match while making money at the same time. But hurry, this offer won't last long. DatingMojo is currently available at a special launch discount of $4 off. Plus, you'll get some amazing bonuses worth up to $7,472 if you act fast. So don't miss this opportunity to start your own online dating empire with DatingMojo. Click the link below to get instant access to DatingMojo and all the bonuses today.